Number 1.
1972 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, featuring a clean blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior that highlights its classic appeal. It is powered by a factory inline-six gasoline engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission mounted on the steering column, and operates with a traditional 2WD drivetrain, staying true to its original configuration. The truck is believed to have undergone a restoration approximately 10 to 15 years ago and still shows very well today, maintaining a solid and attractive overall condition. It has been sitting and used for the past 6 years and is currently not running, as it does not have fuel or a battery installed at this time. With some basic recommissioning, it has strong potential to be brought back to life. Additionally, the braking system has seen recent attention, with new components already acquired. However, the new booster, master cylinder, and brake lines have not yet been installed.
Number 2.
1999 Dodge Ram 1500, price $5,900. Solid and dependable truck that has proven to be a reliable vehicle over time. It has traveled 79,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, running on gasoline. The truck features a clean white exterior paired with a gray interior, offering a classic and straightforward look. It runs and drives well, continuing to perform as a strong and capable vehicle with plenty of life left. As expected for its age, it does show some normal wear and tear and is not in perfect condition, but none of these minor imperfections affect its overall performance or reliability. It remains a strong runner that consistently gets the job done. The vehicle comes with a clean title in hand. It has recently been noted that the gas gauge is not functioning, which may simply be due to a fuse issue.
Number 3.
1993 Ford Ranger, price $5,500, comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, offering a smooth and reliable driving experience. Finished in a sleek black exterior with a clean gray interior, the truck presents well both inside and out, enhanced by a fresh new paint job. As a top-of-the-line model for its time, it includes desirable features such as power windows, power door locks, fully functioning air conditioning and heating, as well as pop-out rear windows for added ventilation. Under the hood, the 4.0L engine paired with a dual exhaust system delivers solid performance, while the 4x4 capability ensures it's ready for a variety of terrains. The vehicle is also equipped with a Pioneer head unit and kicker speakers, providing excellent sound quality. This southern truck is rust-free, with a solid body and well-maintained structure. It rides on good tires and is reported to run and drive great.
Number 4.
1995 Ford F250, price $8,200, comes equipped with a powerful 7.5L big block engine paired with an automatic transmission, and has traveled 122,000 miles. Overall, the truck is rated around a 7 out of 10 condition-wise, with some visible cosmetic imperfections, including fading clear coat on the roof and hood. It was previously owned by a gentleman who had it since 2004 and consistently maintained it with annual undercoating, helping preserve its structural integrity. The interior remains in good condition, and there are no warning lights on the dashboard. Despite its age, the truck runs, shifts, and drives well. It also has valid inspection and emissions stickers through August 2026, adding peace of mind for the next owner. The vehicle comes with a clean title in hand. There are 2 known issues: both windows are not fully functional, and the radio is currently not working.
Number 5.
2000 Ford F250, price $9,500, finished in its factory black paint with a clean gray interior. It features a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, and currently runs on a well-kept replacement motor with 157,000 miles, while the body shows 232,000 miles. Originally purchased with a blown engine, the truck was carefully restored with numerous updates, including newer exhaust manifolds, spark plugs, XL coils, alternator, starter, and a new fuel pump. The frame was cleaned while the bed was removed, and the braking system has been upgraded with slotted rotors, calipers, and pads. The body is in excellent condition with minimal rust, only small spots on the driver's rocker and one cab corner, while the bed rails, floors, and structure remain solid. Additional improvements include updated door handle mechanisms and a Flowmaster dual exhaust system that delivers a great sound. Tires have good tread but show some dry rot.
Number 6.
2001 Ford F150, price $4,500, powered by a 5.4L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has accumulated 152,000 miles and features a red exterior with a gray interior, running on gasoline. The vehicle has been in the same family since 2014, previously owned by the seller's father, and has been consistently cared for over the years. The truck runs strong, starts easily, and drives well with no major mechanical issues, making it a solid and dependable older pickup with plenty of life remaining. It comes with a clean title and no accident history. Please note a few important details that have been reflected in the pricing. The air conditioning is not working, there is some rust present, and the check engine light is on due to the fuel system running lean. Despite these issues, the truck remains reliable in daily use. The tires are older but still have some tread left.
Number 7.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500, presented in a striking blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior, offering a clean and cohesive look. It has covered 105,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission, delivering a more engaging driving experience. Powered by a 4.3 LV6 OHV12V engine, the truck runs on gasoline and features a rear-wheel drive system with 4x4 capability. The vehicle also comes with a clean title, adding to its overall appeal. In terms of condition, several important maintenance items have recently been addressed. The truck has received 4 new tires, a replacement ABS sensor, fresh engine oil and filter, a new battery, and updated ignition components including spark plugs, spark plug wires, cap, and rotor. Additionally, the air filter has been replaced, helping ensure smoother engine performance and reliability.
Number 8.
1997 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,000, features a 5.7 L V8 engine with a clean title, 174,000 miles, and an automatic transmission. It comes in a white exterior with a blue interior and runs on gasoline. The truck is described as having a strong engine and transmission, upgraded with headers and a full dual Flowmaster exhaust. The EGR has been deleted and tuned by Black Bear Performance. It also includes a new SMP MFI spider injector, along with fresh plugs, wires, cap, and rotor. The front brakes are fully replaced, while the rear drums remain in good condition with new wheel cylinders. It also has a new master cylinder and stainless steel brake lines. The frame is solid, though the rockers may need some work. The driver's window currently does not function due to a faulty mechanism. Number 9. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, presented in overall clean condition, with 167,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Finished in a white exterior with a gray interior, the truck maintains a solid appearance. The engine performs very well, and the transmission shifts smoothly, making it a reliable vehicle for daily use. While the interior could benefit from a bit of cleaning, it remains in fair condition and is far from being in poor shape. Overall, it runs and drives great, and it also comes with a clear title in hand, adding to its appeal as a dependable and ready-to-go pickup.
Number 10.
1982 Toyota pickup, price $8,000, comes equipped with a manual transmission and is powered by the legendary 22R engine. It features a striking red exterior paired with a clean black interior. The vehicle holds a clean title, ready for a smooth transfer. In terms of maintenance and upgrades, the truck has been well cared for. The cooling system has been refreshed with a new radiator and water pump, along with new belts. It also features a new fuel pump and starter for improved reliability. The braking system has been fully updated with new front brakes and rotors, as well as new rear brakes and wheel cylinders. Additionally, it has new front wheel bearings, new tires, and new engine and transmission mounts, ensuring a solid and dependable driving experience.